Hi there, I'm Brian with All Guard Windows and Doors, and today we're in our showroom going over the Pella Impervia fiberglass series window. This window is an absolute beast in the fiberglass industry. Independent testing puts this thing above all the industry standards for strength and durability. Beats all of our competitors' fiberglass, window, vinyl, and composite as well. A couple key features here is going to be how they protrude. So a lot of other fiberglass windows are going to protrude with random fibers. Pella has designed fibers, which helps create that elasticity and that strong bond, which is why we only utilize this window for our fiberglass option for our clients. A couple key features here outside. This is going to be a black window, so we can get a couple different color options available. We have black in, black out, white in, all white, and a few others that we can choose from, so we can help kind of get the aesthetic for your home and match that. Coming on the interior, this is a casement window. So a couple features here that we love about this window is going to be, one, the screen's going to be on the inside. Two, this is signature to Pella. It's going to be the easy vent slide, it's called. Show this feature here really quick, because this is really cool, signature to Pella. Lock mechanism up here, one finger operation, nice smooth opening up there. They do have a crank option as well, which is the standard for all casement windows. But this feature here, we definitely go over this with clients a lot more, just so they can utilize this cool feature. It's going to clean up the view a lot, so you have it over here. And it's also, like I said, the ease of operation is just so smooth. Lock this up. Feature here too as well is going to be the screen. I know this may not seem like a big deal, but a lot of casement windows with the crank handle down at the bottom, or the way that the old school cranks were designed, getting the casement window screen out was a problem. With the Impervia series, slides right out, ease of clean inside the frame, also ease of clean inside here, and a nice durable screen frame material here. There you have it, guys. This is the Pella Impervia series window. This is going to come with a lifetime warranty as well. Parts, labor is included. Any other questions, please direct those to your sales consultant.